Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an absolutely amazing ant farm in Minecraft. That's right, guys, you just gotta make sure once this thing is made, you do not break it, because if you break it, the ants will take over your Minecraft and destroy everything in sight, guys. Not to say that's ever happened to me, but it will happen. But what you need to find to make this ant farm is you need to find a nice piece of flat land. Then you're going to need some light gray concrete. You just want to go ahead and basically lay out the foundation of this ant farm. So you just want to make it as long as you're going to make it, guys. And then the most important thing is you want to make your ant farm at least 3 blocks wide. You cannot make it any smaller than 3 blocks wide, guys, or else the ants will get out. So let's go ahead and just build onto this. I think this is a pretty nice size. So basically what we're trying to make right now is we're basically trying to make like a picture frame. That's basically what we're trying to make, guys. Is like I would say this is about a 20 by 3, and then we're probably going to have it about 20 blocks tall, guys. So it's probably going to be like a 20 by 20 by 20 by 20, and then 3 wide, guys. So that's basically how you want to make this. Let's go ahead and build the top of this thing. Now, we will have to come back later and knock some of the blocks out of the top of this, but it don't really concern us right now. So let's just go ahead and keep on building this thing. And wow, this is really turning out to be a real nice ant farm, guys. But I actually built one of these for one of my friends. Well, he was my friend. I don't think we're friends anymore, guys. But I actually built one of these for him, and all of my ants ended up escaping into his Minecraft and destroying everything inside. I felt so bad for that guy. I wanted to fix all of his stuff, but he wouldn't let me back in. But now that you have the frame made, now you're gonna need your dirt blocks, guys. You just want to go ahead and you want to place these 2 wide, guys, and all throughout the frame. Just fill the whole frame up with these dirt blocks. This is probably going to be pretty tedious and probably take a pretty good chunk of time to actually do this, guys. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this. It would probably be easier if you had somebody else that was helping you, because then you could probably finish it up in like double the time. But I'm about to finish it up in like triple the time by just going ahead and speeding things up. Wow, guys, did you see how fast I got that done? Wow, that was absolutely amazing. I should get a record plaque for that or something, guys. But look at that. Wow, don't that look amazing? It's already starting to look like an ant farm. But now that you've made it to this point, you want to go up to the top of your ant farm, guys. And this is what I was saying. You want to dig out this center right here, guys. You just go ahead and dig this whole center of the frame out. And just keep on digging and keep on digging and keep on digging all this out, guys. Because this is actually where we're going to drop all the ants. Now what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and you want to mine a little hole right here, guys. So just go ahead and mine it. However you think the ants would do it, guys, just go ahead and go in that pattern. It don't really matter how you do it, just so you kind of think it out a little bit and say like, yeah, this is what it would look like if an ant was digging the hole. So yeah, that looks pretty antish. Now we're going to go ahead and do this side as well, guys. So let's just go ahead and dig down. And basically all you're trying to do is make this look antish. So you want to make it look kind of like an ant did it instead of a human. So let's go ahead and dig this out, guys. I think an ant would probably dig a little further and then dig over and then dig a little further and then dig over, guys, and then dig over. Probably a good amount. He'd probably dig over a good amount, like right there, guys. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks actually pretty cool. Now we're just going to go ahead and go in the center. And I think I'm going to dig some out of the center as well, guys, because they make lots of little like divots and they dig down into their little ant farms, and like they have a lot of stuff going on, guys. So let's just go ahead and go back this way. So let's act like the ant wasn't able to make up his mind. And boom, right there, guys. Wow, don't that look amazing? Now what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and you want to put this stained glass all over the front of your ant farm, guys. And like I said, this is probably going to take a pretty long time to do, guys. It would probably be a lot faster if you and your friend did it, but I'm going to go ahead and speed this process up. Wow, guys, did you see how fast we finished this? Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Now what you want to do after you have that made, you just want to go ahead and start dropping your ants in the top of this ant farm. Just drop a bajillion of them down in there, guys. Just keep dropping them and dropping them and dropping them. And don't really worry about if any of them get out of the ant farm, because they will just go back into the ant farm because they're actually attracted to their family, guys. And oh, that one looks like he's going to pop out. Just go ahead and go back to your family, little buddy. Just go ahead. He will eventually go back to his family. And boom, there he goes, guys. They do stick together. I've noticed that. They really do stick together, guys. But now we just want to go ahead and stick some spawners in this ant farm. Now, you don't want to, like, break that right there and then stick the spawner right there, because they actually go out the other side. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and break a block like that and then put the spawner on the inside of the farm. And then boom, right there, guys. That's what you want to do. And you want to make sure that it's on the inside of the farm and it's not like on the outside wall of the farm, or else they will escape your farm, guys. So let's go ahead and put one right there, and let's go ahead and spawn it. And then let's go ahead and head on over to our other section of our farm, and let's go ahead and put one right there, guys. And like I said, whatever you do, do not break that glass, because if you break that glass, you are toast. You really are. You're toast. Like, all these ants are going to get out, and they're going to mess up everything, and it is going to be absolutely mind-blowing to try to find them all and try to hunt them all down with your diamond sword. Trust me, guys. I've been there. I've done that. It is not an easy task to do, guys. But if you guys did enjoy seeing me make this absolutely amazing ant farm, guys, this has to be one of the most amazing farms I've ever made in Minecraft. Let me know by hitting that like button. Also, leaving a comment down below what farm you want to see me make next. And also, most importantly, slapping that red subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all my latest and greatest Minecraft videos. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!